Hello, hi Marwan. Today we are going to see about double linked list. Okay, let's get in the code. First we have standard input and output. Then we have stdlib library, stdlib. So now we are declaring a struct node, declaring two pointers, previous and next. Then we are declaring an integer data type variable called data. Then you name the pointer head, and we have five functions that for insert beginning, for inserting a node at the beginning, then inserting a node at the last, then deleting node at the beginning, deleting node at the last, and then we can for displaying this. And we are starting this with the void main function, choice of integer data type, then a while for a choice not equal to 6. Then we are using a printing statement for first main menu, then printing statement for choose an option from the following, then printing statement first one insert in the beginning, then last, and deleting in the beginning and at last, and for displaying. And was for scanf function for getting the choice, on a switch case for choice, case 1 for inserting at the beginning and inserting at last, and case 3 for deleting at the beginning, and case 4 for deleting at last, case 5 for display. And for the default, for if you're giving option apart from this five choice, then it will printing statement called please enter valid choice. Then we are going to, so now we can see that five functions. First for inserting a node at the beginning, first declaring a pointer p and an item of integer data type, and we are in p we are allocating the memory, the size of struct node. And for condition, if p equal to null, you are printing overflow. And if else, printing statement for entering a item and for getting this item. And inside this if we are using another if else, no, inside else we are using another if else. First assigning p of next equal to null, then assigning p of previous equal to null, and then p of data is equal to item, then head equal to p. And else, inside else another else, that is assigning p of data equal to item, and p of previous equal to null, and p of next equal to head of previous equal to p and head equal to p. And it will if the inserted the, it will print the node is inserted. Then this is for insert last. This also like first we are declaring a pointer p and temp for temporary variable, and for declaring an item which is integer data type, and p is equal to declaring and allocating a memory for p, the size of struct node, and again using conditions, that is for the main part of the program. Then if p equal to null, then printing statement as overflow. And else, like last first function, you are using else inside an else, first printing enter item value, then getting the item, then p of and we inserting at the last. First we are declaring pointer p and temp and item of integer data type, and we are allocating memory for p of the size of struct node. And condition, if p equal to null, then printing as overflow. Else we are going to the main function of the program, printing we are getting a item, then assigning p of data equal to item, then again if for head equal to null, here we are assigning p of next equal to null, and then it already p of previous equal to null, then head equal to p. And again else for a temp equal to head, and using while for a temp of next not equal to null, then it will assign temp equal to temp of next. And if temp of next equal to p, then p of assigning p of previous equal to temp, and assigning and also assigning p of next equal to null, and then it will print node inserted. Now we'll go for a delete at the beginning. Again we are declaring a pointer p, and if head equal to null, printing as underflow. Else if else if condition head of next equal to null, then assigning head equal to null, and using a free of it to the for this function for removing the removing the node, then printing node deleted. Else if p equal to head and head equal to head of next and head of previous equal to null, then again using the free function, then printing node deleted. Now we can directly go for the displaying. For displaying, first we are declaring a pointer p, then printing for we are using for display, so printing as printing values, and p equal to head, and using while for a condition p not equal to null, it will print p of data, then p equal to p of next, and so now we will run the program. First we are entering our choice. I will select my choice 1, that is inserting the node at the beginning, entering value, I enter 18. Now it is showing that node is inserted. Now I am going to display, so I am again entering the choice as 5. So here it shows printing values, so you can also use insert at last, delete at beginning, and at last, like and that's all the program. Thank you.